Hello, I know it's been a while since I last updated you on the progress of the game. I did quite a progress. As you will soon see, I had to redo the entire visual of the project. First, because pixel art is hard. Pixel art is hard, and it would have taken a lot of time. And also, is for a game to be fun to play, you need to have visual cue, not only visual cue, but also audio cue and music. And as anyone who have ever worked with audio before would tell you, finding good sound and good music is really hard. But luckily, I was able to find, for now, because it's just a personal project, a good music provider. It's the music where I grab my royalty-free music is Stream Beats. It's a stream playlist of multiple songs that are made for streaming and YouTube videos and editing, so they're copyright free. You don't have to scare about it. So I just went into multiple playlists. They have multiple playlists like instrumental, ambience, electro, lo-fi, and I listened to a couple of teams. I wanted to find one that sounded beachy summer ocean, but I wasn't not able to find it, or the only few I found were all electro team or sci-fi-ish. So when I listening to it, I thought in my head, oh, maybe it will fit with a neon aesthetic, like bright color, black, bright color, drone-like, really easy to do. Easy-ish to do. One of the criticisms I got from the project was there's no sound, so you don't know if you do the good thing. So I went online, I went on a few forums, and I found the website. I'm gonna put the URL here. Where I found you could find free or paid asset for a game, and there were a lot of free sound effect pack, and I found a science fiction sound effect. And whilst going through it, I heard shield sound, energy field, and those sound really good for. You got a point. So after redoing everything, listening to it, I followed some tutorial online, found how to add sound to my game, and now I have music and I have sound effect. That's great. That's one of the important parts of the game, because a game without sound is really bad. It's ugh. But a game with sound will make you want to play the game more and more and more, because if the music is fun, you will want to hear it more, hear the following, the sound, and if the feedback of getting a point is good, you want to get another one, and another one, and another one. So right now I have 5 different sounds for when you collect something. My game of sound, that's great. Another part of the game that I was able to update is now I have menus. Now I can show the high score, I can press escape to leave the game, because everyone who build with Unity I've trusted is they build their game for the first time, they run it, they can escape, they cannot leave. And right now the main menu is really drab, because I just wanted a main menu just to test with it. But apart from that, the rest of the menu is simple, like replay, play if you just pause the game, go back to the menu and leave. And while I was working on it, one of the problem I had was I was not able to make the interaction, or like when you hover a button, when you click it, they didn't show anything. It's all because when you add a button in Unity, they had what is called an event system, And because I thought it was something fancy, I added by mistake. I deleted it the first time. So I didn't have rollover, clicked, press. But I added it back and now I have fancy button. I'll have to redo the sprite because right now it's not good. Another part of the game that I'm happy I've worked at is I have saved. Like I have a high score. Now I felt like it was black magic when I did it, but it's as simple as open a file, write to the file, close the file, open the file, read the file, save to the file. It's really fun. Like you can see the high score. Right now the game is on my max score is 54 because the balancing of the game is not the best. It starts really easy, but the war at 50, there's way too much thing happening. But it's fun. It's fun right now. I also have a weird problem with cameras. I don't understand really how cameras functioning in Unity. So sometimes they're not fixed and I don't like it. I would need to check how to make a fixed camera angle that don't change in function of like the aspect ratio of the game. I need to find out how to do it. Also, as what's my future plan? I think I'm gonna push up a bit the mobile version of the game, but I will at least finish the game, finish the UI, the main menu, and I'll try to publish. I'll publish with my friends to get some feedback. I don't know how to share it on a website, and also if I share it on a website, I have to ask for the right of using the song because they're free of use, but not in a commercial way. As in a video game, like I'm probably sure like I'm low, like will be able to get it. It's just a personal project I want to share online, but I'll have to ask. Also, after this project, I'll start working on my own portfolio because I have a background in web design, web programming, but this is hard. It's really hard. It's really tedious. I didn't like it. I was doing it. I like to do interaction with the website, but designing the website, programming, the aesthetics, CSS is the worst. It's the worst. So I'll do Squarespace. I saw it was really fun and like I just want to keep a simple build. And with Squarespace, I will just be able to place my block of text when I want it, adjust the color easily. They have prefab. It's gonna be easy. Like I'll need a portfolio to maybe get an internship someday. Oh, I almost forget. Follow me on Twitter. I have a Twitter now. Follow it. I'll post some update on it, some picture, not a lot, but I try to do it. Send me a comment on anything. Comment, feedback down. If you would like the video, if we like to try the game, I can find a way to share it. I'll see it. So comment, like, share. I don't know why I say it. It's just personal, but do whatever you want. But follow me on Twitter. This is important.